As a poet, I feel it's my job to keep an eye on what other poets are doing across the country. And one poet I've been keeping an eye on in particular lives in Toronto. And recently she did something that I've never seen a poet do before, using a tool which I've never seen used before. And that tool is Humpty Dumpty Ringolos, right there. So I went on a mission today and I went around town looking for ringolos. Very hard to find. The closest I came to is Humpty Dumpty Party Mix. And in it there appears to be ringolos. So we'll find out. I'm not that good with bags. But better than I thought. Okay, so here we go. And in here, broken ringolo. Well, this might be a little tougher than I thought. Oh! Ringolo. Ringolo. See? They're pretty small. I wonder if that's like... Her ringolos looked an awful lot larger. But anyways, I think these are what she used. So, we'll see how it goes. See you later. Hello! I'm out here doing what poets often do, which is mimicking other poets. Their forms, their structures, and all of that. So, that's what I'm doing. I'm mimicking that poet in Toronto. Her structure was more like this punk snowman with spike hair and that kind of stuff, but she lives in Toronto and we don't really have punk snowmen here, and I'm kind of a rural poet and she's, I think, kind of an urban poet, so I'm going to build something a little more, I'm going to, my structure will be a little different. We're making progress. Ringolo the tiger is coming along. Its head's got some trouble, but Anyways, we'll try these little... Maybe we'll have some cheesy whiskers. Oops. Oh, it's Kitty looking. Whoa! Kitty's got a wonky eye. Not enough cat showers for Kitty. Kitty. I can't get my cat's nose to stick. Ew, that don't look too good. Anyway, there we go. That's my ringolo cat. See you later.